Greens one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. Got a mail call here. Before I get into the mail call though, I was thinking about what I was going to do on Tuesdays. And I thought, well, I'll do the mail call. Then I thought something random. I thought, well, why not just do something random maybe every Tuesday or every other Tuesday. So, for example, I have a couple of cooking videos at home. Well, they're on my computer. I already recorded them, and I just haven't had a place to put them. I usually try to do something outdoors on the weekends, but Tuesday would be a good day to do that. So, I figure, yeah, why not? And maybe, just maybe I'll do an occasional local eat. I mean, I know I did kind of nuke the series, but my manager Friday asked me if I'd tried. He said, hey, did you try that place out yet? And I just completely forgot all about it. I'm like, oh yeah, I forgot to go there and check it out. So maybe I'll go there someday. And also, a few people mentioned flea markets. Well, I've been looking online, and I asked on in a forum page, and people started mentioning a few. Yeah, there's one here, there's one there. So I might, excuse me, I might start checking those out as well. And it was supposed to be sunny this weekend, but it's overcast and cool outs. So I don't know. So, but I figure if it's a day that's just, you know, just barking down rain, maybe I'll run out to a flea market if it's open. I think there's one south of me, a couple hour drive, but I'll just leave in the morning and go check it out, see what I can find. I was looking at their website, and there's a company that's a surplus store that's actually down there. So good chance I'll head down there and check out that surplus store at the flea market and see what else they've got down there. So that might be something cool too. So let's get to this mail. I don't think there's anything else. So yeah, mail call. Alright, so this is sent to me by my bro Dom. He actually emailed me and asked me if I was interested. And I said yeah, because I don't have one yet. I just want to make point of the shipping. My God, man. It's starting to feel like shipping is only for the wealthy. Rocking the Ontario Route 1 today, which I'm struggling to open. Unbelievable. Man. I'm glad he put it in bubble wrap, because I actually I had it up on top of the car, and I was pulling it down, and it, damn thing slipped out of my hand. And look, bubbles. Yeah. Come on out. Have to go this way. Oh man. How freaking sweet is that? Look at that sucker. That is awesome. Thing's older than I am. I think it was 19... Was there a date on this sucker? 1968 is the date on the bottom. That is freaking... That is badass. Let me clean up a little bit. So we're doing a little bit of a close-up here. You guys can see. There's a little... I believe that's the fuel shut-off. Or this is a fuel shut-off. I did watch this video, but quarter turn shut off. I think that's just a shut off valve. That might be the height, the flame adjuster. This is a little pump. I think it's for pressure. So I've never even used one like this. It's a Coleman 502 stove from 1968. That's the top. Man, it looks in great shape. And I got, so So I get to, for the fuel, no, I've actually got white gas camp fuel. So I'm going to be able to light this up. I'm going to read the directions again real quick off camera. Man, this thing is wicked cool. So here are the instructions. I'm going to read them off camera, but I might take a picture and roll the photo in. So if you want to pause the video and give it a read, you can. Alright, I'm going to put fuel in this guy. Oh, it's got the safety cap, which is not letting me open it. Hang on. Alright, the cap was giving me a little trouble. Now, I actually have a funnel for this, but I left it at home because I'm smart like that. It's gonna be really careful. Hopefully that'll be enough for what I want to do. Oh, guess that wasn't really in. Alright. Alright, I'm just trying to find the best camera angle. Give this guy a couple turns. Give this a quarter turn. Let's see if it flares up on me. Oh. Maybe I gotta pump it first. Okay. I don't think I was recording, but I got some flame. I know I gotta wait a couple minutes for it to do its thing. Totally forgot to bring a windscreen. like
keep
petered
you guys
out.
updated.
So unfortunately, it looks like the stove's kind of just couldn't get going. Like maybe it's not full enough fuel-wise. I tried pumping it up, but didn't really seem to do much. So I'll have to look up, see what I'm doing wrong. Valve was open. It had fuel. Maybe not enough. I don't know. Like I said, I've never used one before, so I did watch Dom's video when he made it. But I'll have to look again, see what I'm doing wrong, because it's not like burning like a stove would. Like the one I saw his video, he's doing the exact same thing. So I'll have to do a little research, find out what's going on with it. It's probably me, 100%. I'm sure I'm doing it right. Put fuel in, open the valve, turn this one here, pumped it, put a little pressure by pumping it. I don't know. So, which means I can't do the other two videos I planned on, so, whoops. Alright, I guess this will be a short vid. I'll have to go and do some research, find out what I'm doing wrong. I mean, I did everything in the directions said, so. Anyway, I do love the stove, though. I think it's pretty awesome. I mean, it's really cool. I just gotta figure out how to use it right. It's a little bit of a learning curve for me. So, alright, well anyway, thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. Don't forget to check out Dominic Minichetti. His channel will be linked in the description. Alright, peace.